little fox.
Bird
and Kip,
Episode
3,
Corn Gumbo.
Acorn Gumbo.
Bird heard something.
But heard something.
It was coming from
It
Kip's
comes
hole.
from Kip's home.
Chop, chop, chop.
Chop, chop, chop.
Swoop.
Scoop, squack, squack. What are you doing, Kip?
Bird
Asked Bird. I'm making acorn gumbo,
said Kip.
said Kip.
Then Bird smelled
And
something.
smell something.
It was something
And
that
something
smelled
would
very
smell
bad.
very bad.
You are going
So you going to eat that?
Asked Bird.
Asked
No.
No,
Said Kip.
said Kip. Yeah, are you going to eat that?
You are invited
You're
to
invited to dinner tonight.
Cat.
Kip, it doesn't smell good,
Said Bird.
said Bird.
It doesn't
It
sound
doesn't
good.
smell good,
Said Kip.
said Kip, but it tastes great.
Just then, Bird
Said
saw
Bird
something.
saw something. It's a hawk,
She cried.
she cried.
The big hawk
And
was swooping toward
we
the
tossed
tree.
a tree.
Yeah.
Egg. Something smells bad, said the
The
hawk.
hawk turned
Hawk
around
turned
and flew
around
away.
and flew away.
Ew.
Hew,
Kip.
said Kip. Oh,
Your acorn
your acorn gumbo said that
Said
Kip,
Bird.
said Bird.
And you're right.
And you're right,
It does.
it does taste sweet. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.